Okay, good evening everyone, and today video I'm going to show you how to change the Amazfit T-Rex 2 to the new strap. Okay, as you can see now, this is the original strap with the screw, and here is the another strap. So inside we have the new strap, and I will show you. Together we will change it. Okay, and here we got a screwdriver that can take this one out. Okay, so let's try. Okay, remove. Okay, so just keep it here. And another side. Okay, so that means that another screw, just screw from this side to another side. Okay, it will look like this. Okay, if this side is difficult to remove, you can choose to screw another side. I think this side is a lock. Uh-oh. Just keep it here, and then you just push, and it will take up from another side. Okay, so I input another strap, so you need to input it to the correct direction. You can see here this side is locked. Okay, so you can only screw from that location with here. Okay, Okay, so that's it. You can now wear it. Okay, you can see this blue and the green is not the same as this one. Okay, so that's it. That is all for today's video of how you can change the strap with your Amazfit T-Rex 2. And now thanks for your time watching this video, and I hope to see you again in the next video. Bye bye and have a nice day.